This meditation is going to help you heal your wounded masculine energy. Channel directly from your guides. So whenever you're ready, take 3 deep breaths. Close your eyes. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall so that the energy can flow freely up your crown and through your heart. This is a guided activation, so know that anytime you play this, it will be recalibrating your energetic field. Let's begin. I want you to imagine the soles of your feet growing roots of gold and silver, going deep underneath the earth's surface, through the soft soil, all the way to the center of Mother Gaia. Where you can give an energetic tug and feel the beautiful green energy of Mother Gaia coming up your roots, up your legs, past your pelvis, your spine, and clicking at the heart. Feel the energy of the animals, the medicine women, ancestors that have walked this earth before. Now gently allow your crown chakra to open. Feel it opening up, and through your crown, you'll start to feel golden melted honey dripping down your eyes, your nose, your mouth, enveloping you in a deep, warm, golden honey. This is Christ consciousness, the energy of oneness and unconditional love. It goes past your shoulders and clicks at your heart. You are now anchored from the heavens and the earth. To start to balance out your yin and yang energies. Envision this symbol in front of you now. Imagine it on the floor of where you are sitting or standing. It is beneath you, supporting you. few deep breaths and let this energy anchor. Watch the yin and yang swirl. Watch it spin for a few more breaths. This is your divine balance. The creator and the protector, both of which allow you to manifest your dream reality. Allow yourself to sigh any resistance. One more. Imagine that there is a man walking up to your sacred circle. He sits directly across from you. You both watch as the floor continues to spin gently in yin and yang. He offers you his hands, and you take both of his hands in yours. He tells you that it is safe now, that you are protected, and that he is here to keep you safe. It's safe for you to create, to play, to have fun, to see your light, to watch your heart glow from within, as it is doing right now, swirling and healing. Wherever you are, I want you to interlace your fingers. Feel the energy of balance. The push and pull between your palms and fingers. You are supported and you are safe. Take a few breaths now and allow your divine masculine energy to tell you what you need to hear at this time. Take a deep breath and the answer will come to you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This figure in front of you is a part of you, and so they meld peacefully into your body once more. feeling light, energized, ready to protect you, ready to keep you safe. You can do hard things, you can make hard decisions, because you are always supported. As you safely return back into your body, start to feel both halves of yourself in unison, this yin and yang imprinted on your heart, balancing, swirling, and know that you can call upon it anytime that you need to. Gently unhook the energies from above and below, and as they retract back, watch your heart swirl in a bright green emerald energy that encompasses your entire body. You glow from the inside out. You feel a warming sensation in your heart. Take one more deep breath here and feel the energy of love. Love for yourself, love for others, love for your planet, love for all that you have and will have and have had. When you're ready, start to wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes.